Are you looking for an easy and natural way to soften and tame rough textures, to polish, condition and smoothen your hair? Then here I bring you the best 10 minutes hair mask recipe that will totally transform your hair. So here is what you need, the most important ingredient, that is your rice starch powder. It is easily available online, you can purchase it. The link to this product I'll share in the description box below. Rice starch contains inositol, a carbohydrate that strengthens, repairs and protects damaged hair, makes your hair smooth and shiny. So into a mixer jar, add 3 tablespoons of rice starch powder. So it depends on the length of your hair. So I have medium hair, so I've used around 3 tablespoons of rice starch powder. So add 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, and finally 1 fully ripe banana. Grind until you get a smooth paste. Apply it all over your scalp and hair and also to the hair ends, and gently massage from hair roots to the tip. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash off with cool water. For extra conditioning, you can use a natural conditioner, but avoid shampooing your hair. So when I started using this pack, I noticed that my hair fall reduced significantly and it also started showing a healthy shine. So you can see after wash, my hair looks more manageable, smooth, and it also has a beautiful soft shine. I have been using this hair mask from 3 weeks now and the result is truly commendable. So do try this, and also I will love to hear your results after using this hair pack. Apart from following this hair mask, get enough proteins in your diet, and a proper intake of iron and zinc will help. So thanks everyone, I'll see you until the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.